How you going, people? Welcome back to Sensibility, and this is a bit of an exciting one because today we're unboxing my first ever Xerjoff. Full unboxing of the Xerjoff fragrance. It's taken me a very long time to find something that I really enjoyed enough to buy a bottle from. This one has probably already been talked about, but I really enjoyed this one when I wore it on skin with a sample, and so here we go. They definitely have very awesome presentations. Can you guess what it is? I mean, you just have to read the start of this video to find out, really. But this is the Don. So there's quite a few people saying that the notes of these aren't actually fully disclosed and what they are, and a lot of times it's just people guessing what's in there or what they think might be in there. They are super nice presentations. It's like that. I mean, this is why you pay the price for these beautiful leather-bound boxes. And then you have this beautiful soft card, and there we have it. You can actually smell it too. And then there it is. Crazy presentation, crazy. Like, I mean, even like the bottles, they're really nice. This is a 50 ml, 100 ml or 50 ml gets the crazy big box. So from what I know, this has floral notes in the middle. It has gunpowder, whiskey, vanilla, spun sugar, and a few other things. When I smelt this wasn't very whiskey heavy. This was more woody floral with a bit of spice. So I would give you the notes, the best notes that I can find. And so another interesting thing about Xerjoff is they use a grain alcohol in their fragrances. Places like Amouage and things like that, they use a more, I think, like a not ethanol kind of alcohol or a grain alcohol. They use like a plant-based alcohol. There's a fun fact. Atomizer, pressure, bit of pressure behind there. So I'll tell you what I smell. So with this one, I have this, there is like a gunpowder, metallic-y gunpowder note to it. It's a bit metallic. I smell tea. I smell like a bergamot or a lime or something like that in the top end. Yeah, it definitely has this metallic-y citrus at the top. I am getting a vanilla. I'm not getting a whiskey at all. I really like this. I think it's tobacco leaf, because you kind of get this earthiness to it with this slight bitterness. Yeah, but definitely on underneath there's some kind of sweetness coming through. If it's vanilla, if it is spun sugar. It's not overly sweet, which is really nice. It could be from a rum note or something like that that has a more of a sweetness to it. And then I'm getting this nice clean floral as well. It's almost like a neroli ylang ylang mix, where it's has this slightly animalicness, and then you have that brightness from the neroli or white floral. It's really nice. I really enjoy it. I kind of feel like this is one that you could wear into summer as well. It it has this kind of freshness towards it. It's not dark and mysterious. It's not. You're not getting massive gunpowder. Like I said at the start, there's this like metallic note that's going through with this citrus bomb, and when it dries down, it gets more floral coming through, and then it gets into this kind of it almost gets a little bit grassy, like hay, patchouli, vetiver, that kind of mix. It's really nice though. I really enjoy it. It's not it's not synthetic as a lot of other ones give off syntheticness or fake notes. But yeah, super nice, super happy to have this one in my collection. Definitely wearable for me. I smelt Kobe and a couple of other ones from Xerjoff. I've smelt Naxos, I've smelt all of those. Don't care, they're too sweet. Like, I can't deal with overly sweet fragrances, and this one's not. The dry down's really nice. It's, yeah, a bit of ambriness in there as well. But the Don, Xerjoff, has a bit of class to it when it dries down. Definitely. First Xerjoff down. Will I get any more? I do not know. I do love Empyrean, but it's like $800. See you next time.